how to embed Base44 web app into a WordPress website. Open up Base44, then click on apps, and then select the app which you want to embed on your WordPress website. From within Base44, you will need to give it this command, give me iframe code, and after it gives you the code, you can just copy it. So we are just going to copy this iframe code and then go into WordPress. Now here we will click on posts and add post, or hover over posts and add post. And we want to click on the plus sign, then choose custom HTML. Here we will paste the HTML which we copied, and then go back into Base44, click on publish here, and you want to copy the URL for your app. Then we will go into WordPress again. We just have to paste our app's URL, and if we click on preview, this is going to properly add the app to our WordPress website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.